A lot of people are trying to watch Love Island All-Stars Season 3 right now without paying upfront. And there are legit ways to do it if you know where to look. I'll break down the clean options that actually work, no sketchy sites. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss guides like this. First, use official free trials. Streaming platforms that carry Love Island content regularly offer free trials for new or returning users. Sign up, watch during the trial window, and cancel before it renews. This is the safest way to watch in full HD with zero risk. Next, check region-based platforms. Some regions stream Love Island All-Stars through broadcaster-backed services that offer free episodes with ads or limited time access. If you already have an account in that region, you may not need to pay at all. Another option is promo bundles. Mobile carriers, smart TVs, and streaming sticks often include free months of streaming services with activation or upgrades. These promos stack with trials and are easy to miss if you don't check. If you're watching with friends, account sharing features like watch parties or household sharing can also cover you if someone you trust already has access. No extra cost, no rule breaking. What to avoid: random free streaming websites, fake apps, or downloads asking for logins or extensions. Those are unreliable, low quality, and often unsafe. If it looks too easy, it usually is. Pro tip: before signing up anywhere, check how many episodes are already out. Timing your free access lets you binge everything without needing multiple subscriptions. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your country and I'll tell you the best free option available for you.